Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. App for That coming at you with another hot video. In this video, I got a neat app called TipSee. TipSee. And this is an app that allows you to track your tips if you are like a waitress, bartender, or you get paid, you have a job where you get paid cash, no comment. You got barber, whatever. You have a job where you get paid cash or you get paid daily. This is an app that you want to keep in mind right here. Right here you can enter your tip amount. Okay, it's pretty simple actually, pretty simple but easy app. Enter your tip amount. You're gonna put let's say that we got $100 worth of tips. Okay, gonna click done and it shows the hours worked. Let's say that we worked an 8-hour shift. All right, add notes. Let's see, great shift. Cool customers. All right, so anyway, you can put some notes about the shift or anything that might have happened. So anyway, you start tracking, and I already played with this earlier today, so I already put like $100 in earlier just to see if it worked. So as you can see, for the date that I'm doing this video on right here, June 5th, now it says $200. All right, so it shows you, how much, and then you can look at it, track it, monthly, and add up your money and see where all that cash is really going. All right. So anyway, that's it for this app, guys. Really simple app right here. It's called TipSee. Check it out if if you work daily or you get paid daily. Check it out. Oh, look at this. You can back up the data. Okay, so you can export. All right, so let's see if we export it. Let's see where it wants to go. Okay, so check it out. If you want to export this calendar or whatever, you can send it to your phone or email. So that's always a good thing as well, where you have an extra backup copy. All right, so that's perfect. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. TipSee, check it out when you get a chance. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Leave comments below, and I will chat with you in the next video. Peace.